Yo, Cato TV, the party shot. Big up Keys, Earth Strong. Yo, what are you ranking? What are you ranking? What are you ranking? We're ranking. We're ranking.
We're ranking.
Listen me. Touch Up TV. See the party here. Shell. Be a grenade and everybody play good. Everything goes alright. Touch Up TV. Do remember, your party coming up soon, you know. All the girls, you know the thing go. You know the thing go. Cato. Me touch up before we go, you know. Oh, me I go now. Alright? Bless.
Big up, man. Big up yourself. How don't you making money right now? 2 months in the year. Who making money right now? Sing to me. Chop. Look at me now. Yo, Keys, tell her. Keys. My life is so long. Believing in us. Jesus Christ. Is there any ganja smokers in here tonight? Jump by the dogs and jump by. You go now within a van box. It's in your handbag. You're not sucking in your. You got the freedom on a million, everything goes. Your girlfriend got that some boy. Sell like to the dogs, everything goes. Like Taurus on the beach. All youngsters, big up. This bedtime stories. And girls like them named Chuck Norris. And down all the real hard poor gas and does and no back. Well, I'm not chilling to me when I come to New York. So, and go. A friend them tell me about a place called 90s. Them said 90s are bad money area. So guess what? Every day your children cry. Yes, your man get killed over 90s. So busy. This no life of your life. In the building right now, all my Taurus, big up. Yeah. Big up flying boy, big up yourself. Let me fuck up the party, let me go. Real bad man. Real bad man. I believe in progress. I'll work with me now. Difference with some people that's hopeless. Yo, clap up, big up. I just saw them jump. I tell you. Run up with life and direct tonight. Big up. See you there from. Them can't check me and kill me, they can't make up. Big up Kato, touch up, big up. You still want left, yeah. Life is like the weather. You won't forget. Never play a song for all the hustlers in the middle, right? All hustlers.
Good thing to stop the success. I'll do the road, walking the rough, me don't give up. The more I struggle, so my feelings when I think it comes.
In a real life.
I pray and I go on the field in a real life. The more I struggle.
Big up those who find the arm no smell stink. Big up those who smell good right. If you smell good, 2 hands in the air right. If you smell good, 2 hands in the air right about now. Let me go. Stink like a little man. Mesquite hot money we are the weather man. A boy should have dropped money there with a jam. Black boy, no killer man. No circle the edge. Yo, flyboy, we tell them flyboy. Let's see how we go. Yeah. Keep on fly, shut my mother. Shot fire, everyone and drop flat. Everybody sweat, everyone. Yes, my girl, talk to them. Talk to the video light, my girl. Talk to the video light. Talk to the video light. Shot fire, everyone and drop flat. Yes, everybody rock. We bad down. Everything we bad. Mother down. Everything we bad. Black great fall when you see me down. Still gonna beat like Trinidad. Levels. Video man. Where is Keys? Let me tell you something carefully.
Anytime you see keys, you see Blondie. Because Blondie is a youth, there must be different keys anywhere we go. So when we play that tune right, and that tune for Blondie, and that tune is for keys. Watch out! That is real friendship. That is real friendship. Your keys, Blondie, tell them. I'm showing the people that don't care. There's 2 people here tonight. We go party. If you want to want to have a couple down the road. Four rifle in the wall, on my car, drive up, pull up on boys, put up like saying, yeah, better run like that. Yeah, we are CATOG TV, big up yourself, cake, so big up cake, so May 19, Plenty's Brothers, no more. Biggie, love to myself, mom, get that good to you, right? So guess what? Them can't stop me beating, them can't stop me at all. Them a pussy on the street, come over, they go beat and teach. Man, drive with the ear, for the gas. One month full of concrete. But it's like 5 years, we just see. Why that could the last one? From them fuck with it, from this money of me. Same service, beat and beat. Yo, Biggie, drop this guy, 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 drop this guy. Everybody know. Champion, 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 champion. Hello. Baby, just bend down, pause. Baby, just bend down, this is bend down, pause. Baby, just bend down. Anybody here going to Miami Carnival this year? Anybody here going to Labor Carnival? Put your hands to the boom, pause. Bubble like wine, and the seal just find your waistline. Watch your party now. Bubble like wine. CATOG TV, big up. Find your waistline. Say, tell them where your wine don't go. Watch your party. I want your wine don't go. Watch your party. Step to the front and do what they want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop on going. But let's find a girl. Find any girl that wants. CATOG TV. We have 5 keys in the real fast. 5 keys in the right now. Quick. Find keys quick. Keys. When I play a song for you, I've been knowing for over the years. You've been doing your thing. Right now you're doing mass. I like it bigger, you're progressing. I like the ambitiousness about you. See right now. I say na 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 na. I say na 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 na. Sing for me. Start to sing. Send them keys, we are tell them. Sing. Ladies, y'all look beautiful. Every selector's never tell you for the night, y'all look beautiful. Rolling. Take my wine now. Inside 27. Take my wine. They rockin'. Where the mic?
Fucking yo! You tell this man here? Anybody say something different? Talk to me. Talk to me. We busting gun like fucking Putnam.
Hey, what about in Korea? Where about in Korea? Not Korea. Where's the man in?
Yo, Touch Up TV, Kato. Big up yourself, youths. I mean,
for life.
every year you're here. You come and support the thing. I mean, big up yourself, youth. Kato Touch Up TV. Ole, keep it locked in. Everything nice.
Live, touch up. You don't know. Yo, we in the building. Yo, me not disrespect you, but yo, you're my brethren from life. For how long? Yo, Key, that my brethren from 202, 02, 02.
Mafia.
Yo, Kato TV.
MC.
I told them, hold up, move. Hey. Yo, Kato TV, the party's shot. Big up Keys, Earth Strong. Yo, what they ranking? We're ranking.
Listen me. Touch Up TV. See the party here. Shell. Beer grenade and everybody play good. Everything goes alright. Touch Up TV. Do remember, your party coming up soon, you know. All the girls, you know the thing go. Kato. Me touch up before we go, you know. Oh, me I go now. Alright? Bless.
Video man, pick up yourself. Where's the heels and bow tie?
Yeah, video. Yeah, man, big up Key and the Earth Strong, you know. You done big up yourself, Key. Cause the whole over there, you know, call us be a love, you know. Unity, strength, you see me? Manners, what you have some of that?
Manners and respect. Definitely have to give love and respect. The ranking Key. You don't know how the thing set already, you know. Touch Up TV. But you see that youth there? I can never ever be nowhere in the world and I'm have a party and I don't show up. Can never be nowhere in the world. I have to show love and respect. Manners and respect.
Right now we're to touch up some boom. We're to touch up some boom right now. Fuck, Touch Up TV. We're to touch up some boom.
You have something for me to touch up? Do you have something for me to touch up?
Yo, right now, yeah, real things line up and thing.
Oh, go.
Kato.
Sing Marshall.
Baby, I coming to touch up the pom pom.
Touch Up TV to the world. Kato, big up.
Yo, happy Earth Strong, my brother. Yo, you're going to see this video 2017 for sure. All right?
Ole, follow me for a minute. Kato, follow me for a minute, right? We go link a thing at. Follow me. Right? Some different people from Belize and thing, right? Hello, good night. Where are they from? You see? And you put them on the spot. Hey, don't link she titty real shaking. We go do what she titty just now. Kato touch up. Right? Let me introduce you some females that's from Belize.
Anonymous Promotion brings to you Exposed, Bears You Dare. June 24th, right here back at Frankie's. Don't miss it. Tickets are $15 in advance, more at the door. Anonymous Promotion, Touch Up TV, big up yourself.
June 24th, Exposed, Anonymous Promotions, big up Queens, Bronx, Brooklyn. Party is going to be mad, don't miss it.
Yeah, Anonymous Promotion brings to you Expose.
Bears You Dare.
You hear that? Naked girl, bears you there. Come as you please. June 24th, the thing gonna be mad. The whole team there, we bring it to you. Expose right back here. Frankie's launch, Veronica, till then. That's how we doing this, man. Boom.
Boom.
Yeah.
All right, so we're live and direct. This is Mafia representing Natural Freaks. Remember, June 24th, right? Beers are there. All courtesy Anonymous Promotions. I need everybody to be there, all right? I'm going to be in the building. It's going to be right inside Frankie's Lounge. June 24th. Don't miss it, all right? BS with there. Ladies, come on looking sexy. Boom. Yo, Cato Touch Up TV. Trust me, this is your party. Heels and bow tie affairs. All about that May 19th. Place, Plenty's Paradise. Place to be. Alright? I hear you. The man run them out the party now. I'll make that promotion quick. Don't forget, May 19th. Plenty's Paradise. Cato TV. Boom.